Here I've got Qilive 5039D, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open list of all applications, then find and choose settings. Here you should go to the sound, and now go to ringtone and vibrate. And here you can pick either sim 1 or sim the second ringtone, whichever you would like to change. And let's come along with all possible options, starting with bloom. I will just volume it up a bit. And finally select the one that you would like to apply. It can be silvery. Click on OK, and you've just changed ringtone on your device. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.